Hi, we are now in the two demonstration course, and in this course you have been given the teacher privilege in which you can edit the course and add resources. Now in this first tutorial I will show you a few simple things that you need to do before working on your projects. Now to begin with, you see this is the default course created by the system, and they are laid out in the weekly format, and that's not quite suitable for us. So I want to change this a little bit. I click on setting in the administration menu down here, and now there are lots of options and customization you can do in the settings, but I just recommend you change the format to the topics. I think that with the courses normally you need 2 to 3 topics, and you can make several other changes here. Then you say the changes. Alright, so now I get the topic outlined, topic 1, 2, 3. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is how we can create labels. Now I have the ebook version of Starter TOEIC this size, and for 8 e-learning projects we are going to create materials for practicing and also for teaching in 8 units. The first unit is auxiliary verbs. It focuses on auxiliary verbs with grammar practice as one topic and listening and reading practice as another topic. I would recommend you breaking down into 3 topics: grammar practice, listening practice, and reading practice. So let's do it now. I have 1, 2, 3 topics here that I set from the settings. Now I click turn editing on. Remember, click turn editing on in order to see the action menus down here. First, you need to create a label for the name of your project, so that I can keep track of which part of the whole project you are working on. So you can click add a resource here, and in the drop down menu to insert label. Now for this demonstration course I'm going to work on unit 1 of Starter TOEIC. So I type in Starter TOEIC unit 1 as the label, and it's also a good idea to type in your names and your class underneath. It helped me to identify the authors of the course easier. So let's type in. You can also use Vietnamese here. Nguyễn Ngọc Vũ 3A. country A. Right, so I select a text and click on heading number 1. It's helps you to create a largest title possible. Maybe go away. I click save and return to the course. Right, you see here the label has been created for the name of the project. Now I create another label for the different sections of my projects. The first one is the grammar practice. So I click on grammar practice. If you select heading number 2, which I recommend for the different topics, you can see its colors will be changed to green, and that's the default color that I have set for this system. Alright, so you see with heading number 1, the text is quite big. It's the biggest, and with heading 2, it's smaller, but it's more colorful. Right, so grammar practice, and in topic number 2, I'm going to create exercises for listening. So I type in here listening practice. I select the text and I set that to heading number 2. Again, I save and return to the course. Now I'm going to create the last label here. The next one is the reading practice, of course. Heading number 2. I click save and return to the course. Alright, so we have created the labels for our projects and the label for the different topics. Well, hope that you find the first step very easy.